It's home style that he needs. Home style that he needs. Home style.
So this morning we are making Cadence dairy-free waffles on the waffle maker. So we've got all our ingredients, 2 cups of flour, and 3 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of baking soda or powder, 3.5 tablespoons of butter, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of coconut milk. So we have all those ingredients that we are mixing into the batter. We're gonna start making those waffles. It's okay if the batter is slightly lumpy. We do not want to overmix. Alright, so waffle iron is heated up. Let's turn the heat down a little bit. We don't want it to be too high. I'm gonna make these kind of small because it's for Cadence. Just wait for that to be ready. Ooh, look at that.
Shoot. Shoot.
Yeah. All right, that concludes my video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.